Hello, you all. This is Shivam Pandey taking you on a word tour with Abode of Excellence. So, have you ever walked into a room bursting with trinkets, photos, and cozy chaos? Congratulations, you have entered the world of Cluttercore. Cluttercore is the anti minimalism movement. It's all about filling your space with the things you love: books, collectibles, quirky decorations, basically anything that sparks joy. आपका रूम व्यवस्थित ना हो, but you love it. Imagine a shelf overflowing with books, plants on every surface, and fairy lights twinkling everywhere. Welcome to Cluttercore. Or a wall covered in vintage posters, postcards, and memories. It's chaos, but it's your chaos. Even your grandma's living room, packed with knickknacks, is peak Cluttercore. Cluttercore is trending for a reason. It celebrates personality over perfection. So, are you team Cluttercore or team minimalism? Drop a comment and show off your vibe. And don't forget to follow Abode of Excellence for more such cool words.